everybody, thanks for tuning in today. I'm really excited to do this hair tutorial for you, show you how to do a hair bow. I always feel like I look like a cat when I wear this. Not only does it look like a bow, but I always think it looks kind of like cat ears because it's pointy. No, meow meow. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what a cat sounds like. Meow meow, there we go. Stay tuned to find out how to do this. It's actually way easier than you think it would be, and you totally can do it yourself at home.
The things you will need is either a brush, a comb, and a hair tie, some bobby pins, and some hairspray. So you want to start by brushing your hair through, and then I like to spray some hairspray in it and brush it again. This helps to keep all the flyaways down for what you're about to do next. So then flip everything to the front and brush it forward. And the reason why you do this is so that when you bring it back up, you want that ponytail to sit up really nice and high on your head. And then get your brush and comb and continue to go back over that until it's nice and smooth and you've gotten rid of any bumps. Okay, once you're satisfied with how it's looking, you can go ahead and tie it out with a hair tie. Now, when you're tying it, when you get to the last time you're pulling it through, don't pull the ponytail all the way through, only pull it halfway. And it has to be this way forward on your head, it won't work the other way. So now that you've got it at this point, you want to try to work out halfway between and separate it. This is the trickiest part, to be honest. You really kind of had to work it. You might have to do it a couple of times to get it good. Once you're satisfied, take some pins and pin down both of the sides to your scalp. Now this part is really, really important. Before pulling this bit of hair that's left over your head, you need to pin this to your scalp. If you don't do this, when you pull the hair back, then the hair tie is going to be visible. So this is a key step. Now, once it's secured in place, you can go ahead and pull and lift that hair back over the top to form your bow, and then pin this again at the back to your scalp. Now, as you can see, you've got this little end bit here, so you're going to tuck that in to the cavity of one side of the bow. It doesn't matter which side you pick, so tuck it in under there and then pin it to secure it in place so it's perfectly hidden. You could even put a brooch on the back here if you wanted to cover up any pins. And then this is a really important step. You must lift it gently on each side of the bow and then hairspray. This will help to give it structure and give it that pointy look. And then a little spritz of hairspray and get rid of any flyaways and you're done.
And that's how you do a hair bow. If you want to see any more videos, be sure to head over and check out my channel. Have a lovely day, guys. Love you so much. Bye. Mwah.